Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday today. We got 4 guys on site. We've had 2 guys over at the house for the last 3 days, just repairing the cracks and everything from the earthquake a few months ago now. So we're starting not to get so many aftershocks, maybe 1 or 2 a week, and not too strong. So I thought it's time to start repairing. It's day 95 because we lost one day, not this week, the week before. So we're day 95. I'll turn the camera around and you can have a look at the progress. So this is the field, and what they've started to do, if you see the wire, is level out everything. Yeah, so we'll leave that as it is because that's the gate, so we'll take that one up a little bit higher. But those posts look pretty good to me. They need a little bit of lifting up. Just the 1, 2, 3 here. They boxed it all off. I don't think they've cemented it yet. They just boxed it off. They've cemented all along the front there, as you can see the corner one. And as we come around, you'll see what they've been doing. We've actually had the paintbrush out. So, my darling wife wanted yellow posts, so my darling wife gets yellow posts. Here we are. So, as you can see, he's topped them all off. We'll just cut the metal off. The first one obviously has I want some railings in here, and the purpose for the railings, obviously this is the entrance gate. That is going to be the office with a window. So if I have railings here, we can see who wants to come in, because this is going to be access controlled with a button in the office. So now we've also levelled these off. Joey's chipping away so we can put an extra crisscross in and raise the wall. So yeah, they've done a nice job there. Monday I'm coming in, I'm going to start the gates and welding and stuff. So we had a delivery of steel, I think it was Wednesday, and that's the gates, the angle iron, and it's also for the supports for the solar panels, because those solar panels, you won't believe it, but they're 34 kilos each, so that's about 930 kilos, not far off a ton. Yeah, so the plan is, I've bought the 75mm, which had now been cut. I've got 5 2.5, 5 2 and 5 1.5. They're going in the ground 1 metre, so that'll be 1.5 above, 1 above, half above. And the idea is to have the 1.5-inch angle welded on top at a 9-degree angle. I've looked online and it says the best solar capture for this area is facing south at 9 degrees, so very, very shallow area. Now the panels are about 2.1 in length, and you can't get bigger than 6 meters, so there's going to be a little bit of overhang with the panels, but that's not a problem. That's fine, I'm happy with that. So we cut some angle iron as well and painted it grey. That's the colour of the gate. It's going to be grey. So they're the sides that are going to be drilled in and attached to the posts. And then he's going to cut this steel for me here into 2 meters, and that's the frames for the gates. And then it's going to be infilled with the inch and the inch by inch and 2 by 1. This is the steel that's going to go on the trellis, and the small angle is going to be along the trellis, welded along the trellis. So my biggest problem at the minute is this bloody tree. I haven't received, we had some good news on Tuesday. Would you believe I received the CNC? Yeah, certificate of non-conformance coming on Tuesday. So the engineer now has the drawings, my drawings. He already had some prepared drawings that he thought was good, and I think we're probably going to meet up next week, finalise the drawings and apply for building permits. So this is my tree that will not budge. I've dug all around it, I've got all the roots. There must be roots going vertically down, I think, because she will not budge. But when the skid loader arrives, that's the bad news. That ain't come yet. It arrived 2 weeks ago in the port and still ain't here. So they're saying customs have got it. I don't think customs have got it. I think they're waiting for a lorry to come up to bloody Boggle is what they're waiting for, so they can reduce their costs. But I'm pushing, and I'm pushing hard. So hopefully next week, if we can, then I shall level that. I should do a pad, dig that tree out, make a pad and bury the posts. But the Monday I'm going to be on the gate, welding up the gates, preparing the supports and welding the gate up. Now, extending the wall, I mean, they've done absolutely brilliant. They've done all this wall, come all the way along, all the way along, all the way down. We've still got loads of material, stacks of material. So I think that is going to do the whole, I think that's going to do the whole area, extending that wall. I need to check, actually I'll check on the cement when we go back, because I'm not sure where we are with cement. So yeah, they've last week they've done fantastic. They've come all the way along here. Whether that's the final level, I don't know, but we'll see. It certainly is for that last panel, and these three I think will be the final level. Whether we can get, I need to go around the outside and see. So we've prepared another, so we're up to finish this one. We've prepared another 4 for pouring this afternoon. They're just getting the stuff ready now. And Joey, I don't know if you can see Joey up there chipping away, just putting the cross members in just to extend it. So if they're doing 4 a day and they do these, them 4 will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. That should all be complete by Thursday. Now I think Tata is going to just carry on doing those up the top there, and he'll probably give me a hand with the gate because he's a good welder as well. So yeah, they're all multi-skilled, these guys. It's amazing. But they're obviously the material's starting to get a little bit further away now, so they might slow up. But yeah, so far so good. My darling wants me to take the lorry out for a run today. I don't know. She said I need to run it once a week because no one else can drive the manual. Why the hell they bought a manual, God only knows. But they did. So we are where we are, you know. So cement wise, let's just go up and check cement, because we've got plenty of gravel, we've got plenty of sand, we've got the metal for the gates, we've got the metal for the supports for the solar. I might need to buy some more of this 2x1 to run between the angle, but that's 1.5. I think they do a slightly thinner one. It's just to secure the brackets to that hold the solar. Yeah, we've got loads of cement, look. 4, 5, 10. We've probably got 40 bags, 40, 50 bags maybe, 40 bags. Yeah. Okay, we've got plenty of crisscross metal. And yeah, so I've just been looking where the buildings are going to end up. And 24 metres, roughly, I've been measuring it against the wall. So it's roughly, is going to come, if you look down there, that's pretty straight. So it's going to come about here in this mound is 24 metres. So we're going to have to lose 1, 2 coconuts, baby coconut, this tree is going to have to go. And I think that's all we need to lose, because if we go 6 over, I don't think we're going to lose that one. I think we'll keep that one. We're going to come up to about here, I think. I think that's about 6 metres. Might be a bit more, yeah. So I think we're going to come up to about here. Yeah, so I think everything's looking good, hunky-dory. Like I said, she wanted yellow posts, so what my darling wants, my darling gets. Yeah, so next week we'll be on the gate. I haven't been over here so much this week because we've had Tata and one of the labourers over at our house, and they don't like the dogs, so I have to dog sit. They're frightened of my dogs. And she was on heat, as a another little side story. She was on heat last week. They tied 4 times, 4 days in a row. So I'm expecting 10 puppies minimum from her. It'll be about 60 days. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'll leave it there, and I'll update it next week.